In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, download, or view links to multiple files in Google Drive in just one step. This is a fantastic way to streamline sharing, especially if you have a collection of files you need to distribute to several individuals or groups. Whether you're collaborating with a team or simply looking to share your favorite photos and videos with friends and family, this method will make it a breeze. To begin, ensure that you're logged into your Google account and have access to the Google Drive containing all the files you want to share. Once you've logged in, navigate to your Google Drive and locate the files you wish to share. If your files are distributed across various folders, it might be beneficial to organize them into one single folder for easier management. This will also make the process smoother as you proceed to create the links. After organizing your files, click on the folder where they are housed. Select all the files you want to include. You can do this by holding down the Shift key on your keyboard while clicking the first and last files in your list. For non-consecutive files, hold down the Control key or Command on a Mac while selecting each file individually. This step is crucial for ensuring all the files you intend to share are grouped together. Once you have selected all the desired files, right-click on the highlighted area. A contextual menu will appear, presenting you with several actions. From these options, choose Get Link. This will generate a link that can be shared with anyone, allowing them access to the files. You'll be greeted with a pop-up window displaying sharing settings. At this juncture, double-check that the sharing preference is set to anyone with the link if you want a broader access level, or you can specify individual email addresses for more controlled access. Before finalizing, take a moment to decide whether you want those with the link to have view-only rights or editing rights. This is done by selecting either Viewer, Commenter, or Editor from the drop-down menu in the pop-up window. After adjusting the permissions to your liking, click on Copy Link. This will copy the newly created link to your clipboard, ready for pasting into an email, a message, or any form of communication you prefer. Head over to your email or messaging app of choice. Paste the copied link into your message and send it out to the intended recipients. They can now access the files whenever they need them. This simple yet effective strategy ensures smooth file sharing without the hassle of downloading individual files repeatedly. And that's it. You've successfully created a shareable link for multiple files in Google Drive with just one easy step. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a great day.